Well, today's the day I thought I'd try to get my beans in the ground. But I went all day yesterday without watering my newly planted African daisies out here, so I better take a second and water the flower garden. I know we got some rain coming. I'm trying to grow some flowers here, and they're just now sprouting up, so they need a drink of water. It's only been about a week or a little more that I planted these flowers. Can't think of that name right now. It eludes me. But hopefully that's what's coming up in my garden here, my little circle. I'm going to try to put my beans in the ground today. James said he was going to drop off his riding lawnmower over here tomorrow. I told him I'd take a look and see what's wrong with it. Sounds like he might have blew up the engine. But we'll see whatever parts he might need that we could repair it with. So I guess I'll be doing a video on that this week. It don't come with any guarantees that I can fix it, but we can sure look at it and diagnose what's wrong with it. Yeah, these African daisies look like they really needed a pretty good drink. I'm not watering them real heavy, just squirting enough on there to soak in there and keep them going. Easter lilies are coming up over there. And that knockout rose over there, James gave us, oh, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago, in a little 1-gallon pot. They sure have grown good this year. I probably should have pruned them back, and I didn't. What's the standard procedure for knockout roses? You're supposed to prune them back? One thing for sure, that sure has grown a lot. A lot of buds coming on too. There's gonna be more roses. That one needs tied up. Guess I need to put a trellis on this side or something.